What if I told you that one bad financial decision in your 20s could quietly cost you over $100,000 before you even realize it? Sounds dramatic, but it's true. Here's the scary part. Most people don't lose money because they're lazy or irresponsible. They lose it because they make a few normal mistakes that everyone else is making too. Today I'm going to reveal the 5 biggest financial mistakes that keep people broke, and more importantly, I'll show you the exact money growth system to avoid them. And trust me, mistake number 5 is the one that traps millions of people for decades. Let's get started. Step 1. Stop living without a financial direction. Imagine getting into your car for a cross-country road trip, but never entering a destination into your GPS. You'd waste fuel, take wrong turns, and probably never reach where you wanted to go. That's exactly what happens when people earn money without having a financial plan. If you don't tell your money where to go, it'll disappear before you know it. Instead, create 3 simple goals. Build an emergency fund. Eliminate high-interest debt. Start investing consistently. Simple beats perfect, because every dollar should have a job. And speaking of disappearing dollars, let's talk about the biggest budget killer nobody notices. Step 2. Lifestyle inflation is quietly robbing you. You finally get a raise. Congratulations. So naturally, you upgrade your phone, move into a more expensive apartment, order takeout 5 nights a week, and somehow, you're still broke. Funny how your paycheck gets promoted, but your savings never do. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the fastest ways to stay financially stuck. Here's the smarter move. Whenever your income increases, pretend it didn't. Automatically save or invest most of that extra income before you even have the chance to spend it. Future you will thank you. But even that won't help if you're making the next mistake. Step 3. Waiting too long to invest. Here's a question. Would you rather plant a tree today or 20 years from now? Exactly. Investing works the same way. The earlier you start, the harder compound growth works for you. Many people wait because they think they need thousands of dollars. They don't. Even small investments made consistently can grow dramatically over time. Waiting for the perfect time is usually the most expensive decision you can make. And before you think, I'll start after I make more money, there's another trap waiting for you. Step 4. Carrying high-interest debt. Credit card debt feels harmless until you realize you're paying for last year's shopping with next year's paycheck. That's not financial freedom. That's financial quicksand. Every month you carry a balance. Interest quietly eats away at your future wealth. If your investments earn 8%, but your credit card charges 24%, you're running uphill. Focus on paying off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Every balance you eliminate is like giving yourself a guaranteed return. Now, we've reached the mistake that keeps millions from building real wealth. Step 5. Depending on only one source of income. Imagine your entire financial life balanced on one chair leg. Would you sit on it? Probably not. Yet that's exactly what happens when your paycheck is your only income. Jobs change. Companies downsize. Unexpected things happen. That's why financially successful people gradually build additional income streams. It could be investing, a side business, freelancing, digital products, dividend-paying investments. The goal isn't to work all day. The goal is to make your money work even when you aren't. Because true financial security comes from having options. Conclusion, your money growth system. Let's put everything together. Step 1, give your money a direction. Step 2, avoid lifestyle inflation. Step 3, invest early and consistently. Step 4, destroy high-interest debt. Step 5, build multiple income streams over time. None of these steps will make you rich overnight. But together, they create a system that can completely change your financial future. The difference between people who struggle financially and those who build wealth isn't usually income. It's the decisions they repeat every single month. So here's your challenge. Which of these 5 mistakes are you going to stop making today? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you want more practical money strategies that actually work in real life, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, because your future self will either thank you or wish you had started sooner.